Hello there. My name's Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia attorney who specializes in helping injured workers and their family with workers' compensation claims. One of the questions that people have a lot about their workers' compensation cases is about settlement. One of the questions I get asked is, how long is it going to take my case to settle? So I'm going to talk about that a little bit today. The simple answer to that question is there's no specific length of time that it takes a case to settle. You can potentially settle your case the day after it happens, or a week or a month afterward. But I wouldn't recommend that. Settlement is a decision that you need to make after knowing as much information as possible as you can about your case. Because when you're settling your case, you're giving up your right to any future workers' compensation benefits that you may receive. Generally, settlement settles your entire workers' compensation case. It's over with, and you can't come back after your settlement's approved and ask the insurance company to pay you money for things. Now, there are exceptions to that, where an insurance company will settle a case and agree to keep paying for medical treatment or some other benefits after settlement, but those exceptions are pretty rare. So, for the most part, when you're going to settle your case, you really need to have a good idea of what the future is going to hold for you. Most of the time, you're not going to have that idea right after your injury happens. Right after your injury happens, you don't know whether you have an injury that's going to last you for a few days or whether you're going to have an injury that's going to affect you for the rest of your life. That can make a big difference as far as what you would need to be willing to accept to settle your case. And that's another thing that people often have a confusion about with regard to settlement. Many people think they're entitled to settlement, and settlement is not necessarily something you're entitled to. It's also not something that you can force your employer or the workers' compensation insurance company to do. What settlement is an agreement to sell your case to the insurance company. The insurance company is going to buy your case and the potential future benefits they may owe you from you. And in exchange, they're going to pay you a lump sum amount of money. So in order to make a good decision about what you should settle your case for, you really need to know what's likely to happen to you in the future. And because of that, it can be months or even years before you're really in a position to consider settlement of your case. I have clients I represent that don't settle their case for more than 10 years, and some people never settle their cases. Now, I hope this information from this video today has been helpful to you. If you have, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up on YouTube. If you've got any questions about settlement or any other issue in your Georgia workers' compensation case, I'd be happy to talk to you. Usually the best way for people to do that is to set up a free consultation with me. You can do that either by reaching out to me through our website, perkinslawtalk.com. There's a form there where you can complete it and contact me to schedule a free consultation, or you can just give me a call. My phone number is 770-214-8885. Thanks for watching today, and best of luck to you as you recover from your injury.